Alright guys, I want you to meet my homegirl Tiffany, okay? This is my new wig from HerGivenHair. Now hold on. Let me go ahead and show you her in its entirety. Look, Tiff, you cute. You know that homegirl? You cute. You think she cute? Hit that like button, alright? Show my girl here Tiff some love. You always gotta rain on my parade, bro. Yo, don't disrespect her like that, bro. Now, this wig is from HerGivenHair, and I absolutely love it. They did sponsor this video. They helped me out by passing me over this wig so I could do a twist out for you guys, and we can see what we're working with. Because to be honest with you, I love long natural hair. Like natural 85 is definitely goals, but I actually kind of do have an obsession with short natural hair. Now I am going to be washing this unit with Uncle Funky's Daughter hair products just so we're on the same page. And all of the products will be listed in the description box below along with the details of this wig. Now, I really want to show you guys what the wig looks like wet, just so you can see for yourselves if in fact the hair type is what HerGivenHair says it is. Now, this wig is supposed to be type 3C to 4A. Okay, definitely check them facts in the description box. But if you look on the sides, definitely at the bottom of the strands, you can see the springiness of type 3C. And if you look at the bang area, you can see the zigzag curl pattern of type 4A. Okay, yeah, true to form. Now we are doing a chunky twist out, all right? And the biggest tip I can give when styling this hair is to follow the yellow brick road, girl. Follow it, okay? AKA follow dim tracks, all right? It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to realize the easiest way to part this hair or section it is to follow the tracks, all right? yeah. I feel like a genius, don't I? Now, I am sectioning this bottom section into 2 equal parts, and basically we are going for that chunky twist out. So I believe 4 twists per section should be a decent amount in my personal opinion. If you want to do more or less, that is totally up to you. But if you're trying to get the exact style that I'm doing in this video, definitely do 4 in each section. Okay, now I am going to be pinning that top section out the way, and I'm just going to be using a little bit of styling cream, just a little bit, nothing too watery, because I don't really want to re-wet the hair. I want this twist out to kind of mimic that of a twist out that is done on blown out natural hair or even on just frizzy natural hair, because I actually like twist outs done on blowouts. So yeah, you're going to see me here frizzing up the hair to achieve that. Now, just like you saw in my intro, the hair was kind of frizzy and very type 4C looking. I would honestly do the twist out on that because it is a wig. You don't really have to wet it up and do all that you have to do with your hair, because you don't have to moisturize this wig really. It's very silky texture, but we'll talk about that later. So here I'm just twisting it up as best as I can, making sure to keep the ends very detangled so I can get that nice, twirl around the finger to lock it in, because it is type 3C to 4A, so it might be a little more difficult to hold your twist in place. Okay, so I must admit, this is one of my favorite wigs from them, just because it is that short, very like diva type cut, and I personally love short natural hair, so this twist out is about to be fire, y'all. Okay, even look at the twist in my hair. I don't know, I'm just on the binge of twist outs right now, but I'm rambling, so let's continue on. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side. Now here is an overview of the entire hair. Now when I got to that top section, I did only have enough room to basically do 1 full row from ear to ear, because the very top section of that is a closure, so you kind of twist as you see fit. There's really no way that you can go wrong with this, which is really nice. Now I have my hair bunny tailed at the nape of my neck, and I'm just going to throw this wig on very sloppily. Okay, I've been working with HerGivenHair for maybe about like a year and a half now, so one thing I really do want to let you guys know is they are definitely on the come up, okay? You can customize these wigs to fit your hair perfectly. Not even hair, your head, your doll's head, your child's head, any head. They take your exact measurements, which I think every wig company, whether they're selling natural hair or not, should be doing, okay? Now, I am going to be taking my twist down with argan oil, which I think, as a matter of fact, I do that on my own personal hair. But I do want to let you know that HerGivenHair's like hair period on their website is always silky textured. Always silky textured. So you do not have to use your personal expensive products to moisturize this hair because it is soft silky texture. So you can use the bare minimum to moisturize these wigs, okay? They snapback game is ridiculous. These wigs could get nappy as I don't know what, and always snap back with a little water and conditioner, which is amazing. Now the only thing I will say is, as you see, the track spacing is severe, okay? Now that's why I said it is important to make sure you fit your wig on your head perfectly, because if you do not, you will see that track spacing through the hair. Now of course, if you pick this hair out to full capacity, you will not see that track spacing, whether you have your hair in a low bun or whether you actually braid it down correctly. If you braid it down correctly, you will not see any of that track spacing, just to let you guys know. However, I do have that small bun, and I did put the wig on very sloppily in the beginning, but I did go back in and fix it. But just the same, make sure that you are fitting this correctly to your head, because you don't want that track spacing to show, especially with a twist out. Now, I had a lot of hard time fluffing this wig out, which is why I had to run to the bathroom. Ignore my armpit, but I had to run to the bathroom and totally get this fluffage on point. And now all I'm going to do here is snip off a little bit of those bangs, okay? Because for my face structure, it is a little bit too long. And voila, we're done. Alright guys, this is pretty much the final result. Now I did leave these twists in this wig for maybe 2 days, just because, I don't know, I just left it in for 2 days. So the curls came out actually super defined for this to be 3C, 4A-ish type hair. It really came out super defined, but you guys know something about me and just definition with twist outs or braid outs. You know I gotta go in there and frizzy it up. But I did follow you guys' advice after I messed up the first two and started from the ends and unraveled up. And I must say, this is a really cute look. I especially love the cut of it, because me personally, I like my afro to be 100% even. That way when I go in, I do my 70s fros and stuff, they're circular and awesome. However, I'm not somebody who really wants to cut my hair into a diva style, but I absolutely love it. I love diva cuts. I love the afros with the bangs. I love them so, so much, but I just don't really want to do it to my hair. So these wigs are perfect. Definitely check out HerGivenHair in the description box below. And check me out on Instagram, because I will have some pictures and a few videos just so you guys can see more of the finished product on my Instagram at ChazIsAwesome. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.